So warm welcome to all the seniors, colleagues and the fresh law graduates. So everyone, today we are going to see how to do e-filing of case. So if you are not seen the first part of the video, the link is given in the description. So kindly refer the first part of the video, which would help you out to understand this part. If you are already registered with the court CIS system, then please continue with this video. So friends, we'll go to the link e-filing e-courts. We'll search in the Google, then a new window will open. Accordingly, we have to open this URL efiling.ecourts.gov.in. So I'm opening the URL. Accordingly, I am in Maharashtra, so I'm selecting Maharashtra. Now I got my username and password, so I'm entering my password. So friends, this is the dashboard which you would get after you enter all your credentials in details. So accordingly, this is a dashboard whereby the dashboard is divided into two parts. The first part is my e-filing status. So the first part covers about the present pending cases, and the bottom part my e-filed cases. All the cases which we have filed will be seen in the bottom section, and all the cases which are in the process of filing will be seen in the upper section. Now we'll see on the left side there is a menu. In the menu we have got the first option home as a dashboard, then the second option is new case. So whenever we intend to file a new case, we have to click upon this section, then the documents, then the deficit court fee, so we can pay the court fee through this portal. So reports as to how many cases we have filed and what are the status. So contacts, news and events and help. So friends, the important tab for us is to go into new cases. So I'm clicking new cases. So after we click new cases, now this is a form which is opening. So I intend to file a bail application. So I'll select Maharashtra, then I will go to district. Now I'm in Mumbai, but I want to file case in Pune, so I'm selecting Pune district. Then once I select Pune district, then it will ask me in which court do I intend to file the case. So I'm selecting this case, district and sessions court Pune. So friends, now I received this pop-up. It is saying you are not registered in the selected high court / lower court CIS. You should be registered advocate in CIS to file case through e-filing portal. So again it is asking me, do you want to forward request for registration with e-filing portal details? If yes, please click yes, otherwise no. So yes, I intend to file the case, so accordingly I am clicking yes. So once I click yes, so the CIS system of that respective court will be updated that I want to file the case, and accordingly they'll approve my case. Accordingly I am clicking yes. Then what I intend to file, do I intend to file a civil case or criminal case? So present scenario, I intend to file criminal case, so I am selecting criminal. So it will ask me what is the matter type. So is it, now mine is the original appeal, so I am selecting original. Then case type, so I get a case type, so I am selecting criminal bail application. Is it a MSCT matter? No. Now is the matter urgent or ordinary? Now for me this is a bail application, it is urgent, so I am clicking urgent. Then I will click submit. After I click submit, a new form will be opened. So friends, kindly go through the upper part. So there we have got around 12 tabs where we need to enter all the details. First tab contains petitioner details, second tab contains respondent details, third contains extra information, fourth tab contains extra parties, fifth case details, sixth acts and sections, seventh police station, sign method, upload documents, pay court fee, affirmation and view. So after this, the case would be listed before the department for clearing the objection, and after clearing the objection we would be able to get the case listed before the court of law. So friends, this is what is the brief idea of case filing. So in the next video we would be doing actual case filing, and accordingly we would be recording all the steps as to what data is being entered by us in each and every step. So that would help you out to file your own cases in a better way.
So friends, do share your views in the comment section, and also like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such legal updates. Thank you for watching.
Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.